Welcome to our culinary adventure through Bangkok, where deliciousness merges with stunning visuals. Today, we're exploring the top 6 Instagrammable eateries that not only serve mouth-watering dishes, but also create an aesthetic experience you won't want to miss. Bangkok has become a foodie, and Instagram enthusiasts' dream come true in recent years. There are plenty of photo-perfect locations to have a delectable brunch while taking those jealously beautiful photos for your social media feed, thanks to the city's numerous hip and attractive cafes and eateries. This post contains a list of Bangkok's must-see Instagram-worthy restaurants that will please your palate and up your Instagram game. First up, let's step into our first eatery, adorned with lush greenery and chic decor that instantly sets a vibrant mood. Luca Bangkok, located in the Sathorn Silom side of Bangkok, emerging trending cafes. Luca is a quaint local cafe serving delectable, nostalgic fare prepared with premium, sustainable ingredients. It's the ideal place for a filling lunch or treat after a long day, with beautifully prepared coffee and house-made tea blends. Additionally, Luca Bangkok is a picture-perfect location to begin your day in style because to its rustic industrial decor, lush indoor plants, and an alluring menu that includes items like avocado toast and eggs Benedict. This spot perfectly captures the essence of Instagrammable dining, drawing you in with its unique ambience. Wallflowers Cafe is next on our list. Both nature lovers and aesthetes should visit this little cafe and flower shop combination. With its exquisitely chosen assortment of flowers and foliage, One Day Wallflowers offers a verdant and vibrant backdrop for your Instagram photos. Savor a delicious piece of cake and a cup of coffee while taking in the lush surroundings. As we dive deeper, it becomes clear that each dish is a work of art. The Blooming Gallery. For your brunch shots, this flower-filled bistro provides a lively and colourful backdrop. Savor a flawless pastry while admiring the floral arrangements and whimsical architectural design of the Blooming Gallery. Their distinctive mousse soft cheesecake, which is incredibly delicate and delicious, is a must-try dessert. Chefs here masterfully utilise vibrant colours, combining fresh ingredients that pop visually. Kaizen Coffee, Ekamai. With its sleek black and white decor and flawlessly constructed coffee drinks, Kaizen Coffee Company is a minimalist's paradise. Take in the gorgeous contrast between your cappuccino and the chic monochromatic background. Ink and Lion Cafe art enthusiasts will value the imaginative ambience of Ink and Lion Cafe, which also functions as a gallery exhibiting the creations of regional artists. Ink and Lion Cafe's sleek modern decor makes it the perfect setting for your coffee and dessert photos, such their delicious lime and sesame pound cake. As a result, it might be considered one of Bangkok's Instagram-worthy locations. Rocket Cafe Rocket Coffee Bar, with several locations around the city, is renowned for its sleek Scandinavian design and mouth-watering menu. Don't miss their signature cold brew coffee, and be sure to snap a picture of their beautifully presented dishes, such as French toast and egg drowning. The unexpected textures, like crispy garnishes and smooth purees, invite you to engage with your meal in a whole new way. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the visual appeal of these culinary creations. Natural light floods through large windows at some locations, casting a warm glow that accentuates the freshness of each dish. In contrast, other eateries utilize soft artificial light to create a cozy, intimate atmosphere, a perfect backdrop for your food photography. For example, at one restaurant, the natural light filtering through the leafy terrace makes every bite look radiant, while another eatery's cozy, dimly lit setting transforms colourful cocktails into a dreamy evening experience. As we sweep through these top 6 Instagrammable spots in Bangkok, get ready to be inspired not just to indulge in the flavour, but also to snap those perfect photos that will leave your followers in awe. From artistic desserts that resemble modern art to savoury dishes that capture the essence of Thailand's street food culture, these eateries redefine what it means to dine aesthetically. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Follow FauZia's videos to all your friends and family who are visiting Bangkok, or if you are living here, to check these out. So grab your camera and your appetite, because these Instagrammable eateries are waiting to be featured on your feed. Let's embark on this flavourful journey together, and don't forget to share your favourite Instagrammable dishes along the way.